Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Redmi Note 13 4G codename Sapphire. I have recently uploaded a video updating my mobile phone from Android 14 to Android 15, from HyperOS 1.0 something to HyperOS 2.0.4. This is the official release, the official stock ROM HyperOS version 2.0.4 Android 15 for the Redmi Note 13 4G Sapphire. If you want to watch this video, I will leave the tutorial video link in my video description. You can watch that video, how to flash the stock HyperOS. Now, I was getting a request that the HyperOS 2 point something EU ROM. EU ROM is the customized ROM from the EU developers who provide EU ROM for the Xiaomi mobile phone which have Snapdragon chipset. So today I will show and I will flash the EU ROM, the latest one, HyperOS 2 point version something Android 15 on the Redmi Note 13. Those who have Redmi Note 13 and interested to flash the EU ROM, because the global will have Google dialer without call recording, but after flashing the EU ROM you will get stock me dialer with call recording options also, right? Also we will get me SMS with the ROM, and few things more will also, because that is the ported ROM official EU ROM, because that is the custom ROM. So we need to unlock the bootloader first. If your mobile phone bootloader is not unlocked, you cannot flash any ROM, right? So need to unlock the bootloader, then you can flash. Check the mobile phone battery must be charged. You need to save all the internal storage data. The custom ROM flashing will format everything. Turn off the lock screen before starting the flashing. In case if you are using Xiaomi account, in case if your mobile phone is having MIUI or HyperOS, you need to sync your Xiaomi account once and then remove it to avoid any issues. Same way, go to account sync your Google account once, then remove it to avoid any issues later on. Now we can simply power off the mobile phone. So link is provided in my video description. Now let me tell you that this EU ROM is actually ported for the NFC Redmi Note 13 4G. But we can still flash this ROM on Redmi Note 13 without NFC device. Those who have Sapphire or sapphiren, we can install this single ROM on both devices. So we have to download this link provided, make a new folder, download the ROM by clicking the link, and then you can see that it is Android 15. Then extract it in same folder. So the ROM file is getting extracted. I will come to the mobile phone. Check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer. We need to boot the mobile phone into fastboot mode. For that, the mobile phone must be power off and use a good quality of data cable. Press and hold the volume down key and then connect the data cable with the mobile phone, and in few seconds you will see fast boot screen. Immediately release the volume down keys. So my mobile phone is booted into fast boot mode, already connected with computer. And open the extracted folder of the ROM file, and you will see here few batch file over here. First one is Windows format data only, Windows install and format data, Windows install upgrade. I will go for the Windows install and format data because I want to have a clean installation. Whenever I use like Windows format data only or Windows install upgrade, always I face lagging or issues. I will suggest everyone to go for the Windows install and format data. That is why I said before that save all the internal storage data if you are flashing any customized ROM. Double click the Windows install and format data. So the command window will open and it will ask, do you agree? Yes, I will press Y, press enter key. So the flashing will start. It will take a time. Now we have to wait here. When flushing gets complete, then the mobile phone will automatically reboot and the command window will get auto close. So we are done from the computer, and we can disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone, and the mobile phone will start booting to the HyperOS 2.0.6 Android 15 very soon. The first boot will take a little time, so we have to wait here. Finally, first boot completed. Complete the setup screen. Finally, the EU ROM code flash very smooth, and as I said before that after flashing we will get Mi dialer. And if I go to settings, we can see that the call recording option is over here, and we're also getting Mi SMS. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to about my phone or my device, and you can see that this is the 2.0.6 HyperOS stable version by xiaomieu. And if I go further, details and info or specification. So these are the details that about the mobile phone. OS version is 2.0.6. It is global, and Android version 15. Do not forget to like the video. If you are getting help from my channel, do not forget to subscribe it also. Thank you so much. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.